Here, this has got a pin behind it. You have to slide the pin out and then tighten the deal over. Slide the pin back in to increase the tension on this gate. Tricky one. This one's definitely better with two people if possible. Tricky, huh?
Tricky.
Mighty minis.
Mighty minis.
In action again. See, because we're going to need to tighten it one whole turn after.
When you out,
yeah.
Need it on the run.
Right, and then put it back in. Right. It's going to be kind of.
Right there.
Okay. It's going to be tricky. My friend figured out the trick with the Mighty Minis is you go below, underneath. So it's kind of, again, it's a lot easier with two people because it's kind of crazy. So what we're going to do is pull the pin while grabbing the deal. And then we're going to turn it one turn, and then I'm going to reinsert the pin, hopefully. Okay, and then we'll be testing the deal. I guess we should test it at this point before we go too crazy. Okay, so before it wasn't closing at all on its own. Now it is. So maybe one more. All right, one more. Now it gets locked. Okay, but you get the idea. We'll rotate it and I'll do that. See, that's what I get. Oh, okay, sure. More. Yeah. They slide in a little easier. Yeah. Good point. A lot of you, and me included, have seen the pin kind of lock, but this is the, I guess it's like a slide pin instead. It's a good thing you clean that up. Okay, there we go. And now I need to open this puppy. That's perfect. Yay. All right, done deal. That's how you can tighten those up. Perfect. Yay. Bye.